principles on operations and maintenance. Ngayon naman, i-discuss natin about financial management system on operations and maintenance. Kasi pag-operate and pag-maintain, very important yung financial management system. Kasi wala kayong tinatawag na operations at saka maintenance without using funds, no? So, yun. So, kung maalala natin, sino ba ang naka-attend sa atin ng financial management training? Naka-attend ba kayo yung financial management training? Hindi? Wala. Okay. Yung operations and maintenance, actually, pwede na yan siya mag-umpisa ngayon sa project implementation. Pero yung full blast ng operation maintenance, maramdaman yun siya during or after completion of the sub-project. Kasi nga sa explanation kanina, di ba ang community ang mag-ooperate and maintain. So by that time, wala nang grant na bababa to finance the O&M or operations and maintenance. So, ang source na lang ng funds sa pang-operate, pang-maintain ay first, yung collection natin sa tariffs